What do we want? Airplane noises. When do we want them? Meow. No wonder our jokes never take off. They fly over everyone's heads. What's landed at our front door from Amazon this week? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Fine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. It's the P38 Easy to Fly RC airplane. Some planes have a really bad altitude, are super hard to see. They're tens of thousands of feet up there in disguise above. But not this one. This week we bring you the P38 Easy to Fly RC airplane. Super durable, forgiving, and perfect for that little 4-foot-tall, aspiring air traffic controller or pilot who shares your home with you. The P38 Lightning is an instantly recognizable aircraft, a classic American-made fighter from the 1940s that was actually the first to crack the 400-mile-per-hour speed barrier, thanks to its stainless steel frame and smooth, lightweight aluminum panel skin. This RC model is a pretty spot-on scale replica, complete with the twin propellers, unique central nacelle, and twin boom design, with the silver of the aluminum finish. The German Luftwaffe nicknamed it the fork-tailed devil during World War II, while the Japanese had another name for it. 2 planes, 1 pilot. Such was its effectiveness in battle. Aesthetics aside, the P38 Easy to Fly RC airplane is made from EPP styrofoam. No, it's not the rubbish packing foam you find in the box of your new TV. This is flexible, not brittle, and will bend and flex quite comfortably before returning to its original shape. This thing is light too, coming in at just 1.7 ounces. Particularly handy for getting it airborne with either a runway takeoff or a gentle toss like throwing a paper airplane. There are twin rechargeable 3.7 volt 300 mAh lithium battery packs to power each of the 720A cordless electric motors connected to each propeller. Best part is they don't take very long to charge at all, just 40 minutes. The controller itself features dual-channel 2.4 GHz connectivity with intuitive standardized thumb joysticks that take all of 2 minutes to master. The range is impressive as well, with a maximum of around 300 feet, give or take. There's even a bit of a cheat mode activated. The P38 flies even and straight all by its lonesome, thanks to a built-in 6-axis gyroscope. You don't need to worry about keeping it on the level, just steer. So, what do we like about the P38 Easy to Fly RC airplane? The cool factor, definitely. For a little foam RC plane, it takes off, flies, and lands brilliantly. There isn't much else to say aside from this thing is awesome. And we're constantly fighting the kids for a turn. That EPP styrofoam is great. Just have a look at how far we can flex the wing before it bounces back to normal. Seeing as how we're novices ourselves, it was nice to have something forgiving for all those crash landings we had. Testing it out before we handed it over to the kids. After all, we can't have them thinking their dads are remote control rookie pilots. The kit comes with an extra set of landing gear and another 4 propellers, which we think is some pretty great value. What's the downside? Max flight time is around 10 to 12 minutes, which may seem like a long time, but really isn't for the person with the controller in their hand. Trust us. For the price, we would have liked some more control, in the form of actuated ailerons and rudders, needed if you want to perform barrel rolls and loop-de-loops. It's also slightly annoying to have to pair the controller to the RC airplane each time we use it. And You also need quite a bit of space, something like a 100 square foot patch with no trees and unobstructed sight. We should have read those instructions because on our first flight, Matt crashed ours into the trees. We tried to get it down with a drone and even a football, but no dice. So, what's the verdict? For a dipping the toe in the water purchase, the P38 easy-to-fly RC airplane provides a lot of features for the price point. Everything works as it should, the plane doesn't break easily, and the flying part is very easy to pick up, sort of, making it a great gift, not only for kids, but adults as well. And if you lose it up in the trees like us, just buy another one, as the price point isn't a bank buster. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Although we'd like to have been able to tackle some more advanced aerial tricks and stunts, it's not what this was designed for. And we appreciate that. And the P38 easy-to-fly RC airplane could be yours. We'll be giving a new one away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are simple. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.